Hi guys, just a quick video on the updates that we've done in version 2 so far. There's more to come. Okay, so I'll just go through the list and I'll show you one by one the functions that we've added. The first thing we done was change the UI for a better organization of schema to the sites. If you noticed before, everything was in one place, all the schemas were in one place and the sites were in one place. It was a bit of a mess, and you know, that's how I've been using it for all these years. And back then we didn't really think about other users, so obviously we're listening to you guys and we're changing the tool to suit your needs. Okay, so if I go to Upschema from the dashboard, there is a notification here, and you guys might want to go to the plugins area on your WordPress sites and just update that. As you can see, there's a big change here. Before we had sites here and then every type of schema going across and then the validator right at the end. So what we've done, we've changed it all. When you come in to the dashboard to this URL, you can see all your schemas here. You can click through them and it will display the schemas that you've created. Okay, this is my test account. So adding a site, you'll just hover over sites and create, and then same as before, add the title of the site, the URL of the home page, and then the API key that the plugin gives you in the WordPress area. And then we'll go to all sites, and that's where your sites will be displayed. Right now in this test one, it's just mine and Caesar's site. That's the first thing we've changed. The second thing we've changed is put all the schemas underneath add new, and you can just literally hover over it, click on the one that you want, and then start to create it. Okay, and then once it's created, you can give it a name and then save the schema here. Okay, after that you'll go to the site that you want, so you go to all sites, and then we'll go to push, and it will show all the schemas that we've already pushed and to what pages or posts, and we'll just hit the plus sign here, and the schema that we would have just created would have been down here where you can just search. So if I just typed in test, all my test ones will come up. Okay, and then we choose if we want to push it to the home page, full site, post. So that's the first thing we've done. I'm going to also get a button here to get this URL going. So I can see that there's no button here for that, so we need that. By the time this video goes out, there will be an all schemas button here. Next is we've added new fields in organization schema type. So before it was quite basic, the organization schema that we was using, but now if you check, it's a lot more advanced. I'll do some more videos on how to create these. There's loads more we can do now, and it's a lot more advanced schema. And then in 2.1 it's going to be even more advanced, and a couple of you guys have asked for a few things which I'll go through at the end. Okay, so there's more for organization types. All types of schema is now available in the iframe mixer. So if we go to the iframe mixer, before it was just local business. A couple of you guys, the users, wanted to mix other types of schema, which is a good idea. And I was bringing entity schema to this anyway, and that will be one of my next videos on entity iframe stacking. And as you can see, you've got the entity ones here and local business. Okay. Next, now you can push to any WordPress content type. So that's for Ecom. Some guys said it's a local business tool, and we have Ecom sites. So I'll make a video on how to push to Ecom as well. But there's more types you can choose. Okay, and that will have something to do with templates as well, which will be quite an interesting feature. And pull that up. Sorry about that. extra entity type in web page. Yeah, this was something I wanted myself as well. You know, I went onto schema.org and looking deeper into entities, and what I found was we can add places too. So I'm not sure if anybody else has this in web page or any other tool, but if we add new and go to web page, you can see after you've done the headline and URL of the page, we can do place now. So this can be a really good add-on for local pages, and instead of adding thing, we can add places now. So we could add the name of the area, the Wikipedia page of the area, and then the KGM ID, which I have in other videos in the entity training. Okay, so that's all that. I'm just going to refresh. So yeah, this is how fast my guys are. They've just added this while I'm making this video. So I hope that shows that we do have a 24/7 web team, developers team behind this, and like I said, it's your tool. If you guys have any suggestions or you want anything in the tool that you think is missing, just feel free to message me, or message in the group, and we'll try our best to get it done. So far we've managed to get everything on there. Just speaking about 2.1, I know that some of you guys wanted advanced schema with nodes and interlinking. We're looking into that, and we will bring that out in 2.1 or 2.2. The next thing was service page. That will be done by the weekend. Okay, so that update's coming. I know a lot of you guys wanted service pages, which is a good idea as well. And AI, we are looking into that as well. That's in one of the next 2 updates. But I hope you guys are enjoying the software, or will start to enjoy it now that you've got a lot of stuff that you wanted and a lot more to come. And if you guys have any other questions, you know where to catch me, and I respond quite quickly. Our team responds quite quickly from the message area, the support area down here. So feel free to shoot us a message. You can get me in the group. You can messenger me, however you want. Okay, have a nice weekend, guys. I'm off to the dentist now, so no more videos probably for the next 48 hours, because I'll probably be getting an anesthetic. It'll be hard to make videos like. Okay, see you later, guys. Bye.